Hey everyone, today in this video, I'm going to show you how to care and clean for your Roborock Qrevo S. If you're interested in this robot vacuum and mop or you want to find out more about it, the link to it will be in the video description. We'll start with the top. Up at the top, occasionally you might want to wipe everything down as you start to see dirt and dust accumulating up here. Also, always check this main channel here for the navigational bumper to make sure that there's no debris getting stuck and affecting the performance of that bumper. And then inside here we have our dustbin.
Dustbin removed.
We actually have care instructions on here, so if you ever decide to rinse out the inside of this dustbin, please just give it enough time to dry so there's no moisture left and built up in here, so you can rinse this out if you want. We also have this channel right here too, that little doggy door, that flap. If you notice any debris or hair or things stuck in there, you can easily clean that. In regards to the filter, you can replace per the manufacturer's suggestions. Your app may even tell you that too. I like to get extra time out of this filter by using compressed air. So every once in a while, go ahead, use compressed air, get that really fine dirt and dust out of here, and that will prolong the life of your filter, but very easy dustbin maintenance. Continuing along on the vacuum, at the very front of our bumper, we have our Reactive Tech Obstacle Avoidance. If you ever need to wipe this down, use a microfiber cloth, Q-tip, things like that. We also have some more sensors on the side, same thing. Just look for hair, dirt, dust, things like that. Charging contacts on the back, another sensor there. Just keep an eye on those things. Wipe down as needed. Same with this little doggy door here too. So that's for the self-empty. You might notice some hair or things trapped there every once in a while. You can just easily pull those or remove those. Now looking at the underside, we have some additional cliff sensors here that you want to make sure don't have anything blocking them. You might notice some hair tangles on the side cleaning brush. Go ahead, cut those away, pull them away as needed. Same with the main brush roller here. And we can actually swap out the brush roller as needed. And then if you have any other hair down in there, you can remove that and wipe this area down. And then for the mop pads, this washes and dries and cleans itself, but every once in a while I still like to do a deeper clean on these. I actually put them through the washing machine, put some detergent on them. You can use some stain remover, cleaners, things like that. Throw them in the wash and they'll come out looking brand new again. So that's it, very simple and straightforward. There's not much to do. Honestly, most of that is preventative. You can let this thing run for a long time and then just visually look and maintain once you start to see tangles, dirt, dust, things like that. Very, very easy to get a lot of use out of a vacuum like this. That should last you for years to come.